Vítam vás u našeho ďalšieho videa, som tu s Romanom.
Dobrý deň.
A ideme reagovať na jeho animáciu.
Pretože jeho YouTube je mŕtvý.
O chvíľku. O pár dní.
Nie, ja sa si robím stranu.
Možno, neviem.
Hodina. To je minúta. Čo sú toto? Toto, tá jednička.
Minúta.
Pekne.
Sekundy.
Pekne, dobre. O, mne bolo vidno ruku, nevadí, to môže byť na YouTube.
To je len ruka. Veď mi tam neplaskaj tú ruku pre tú kameru, bo ti tam dám fejsko a budeš spokojný.
Tak ja ti nahlásim kanál.
No, tak prestaň.
Dostaneš ba. Minúta!
Už to začína. Aha.
Ako není to nič špeciálne.
Chcel som reagovať na 5, lenže som na to zabodol úplne.
To je...
ja nemôžem pipovať. Ježimaria.
Ty...
Čo? Čo si povedal? Ja nechcem dostať report, hneď.
A za čo? Za slovo... O, dokiaľ.
Ale to je...
Dokiaľ to má byť vypípnúvané.
Ale ja to neviem vypípnúť.
Namieram...
Nie! Ja nemôžem pípnúť, si zabudol.
20 sekúnd, ja idem zavrieť dvere. Hej! Ja chcem mám musím, kde som to vystriel. 10 sekúnd, no. 10 sekúnd. Dobre, teraz to vidno úžasne. Ja som ju videl, tú animáciu.
Let's go!
Ticho!
What the emotional damage is going? Well,
To nebude počuť, ne?
Nebude to počuť, ale bude to, že parádne počuť.
Where is the heart?
To som tam ja.
To nie si ty.
It's over.
To je boh toho Islandu. Srdce ostrova chyba, čo je veľmi zlé. Je to tu.
Paráda. Gratulujem.
Tanču.
Lucky you. You could lose your neck. Next time. You won't be so lucky. I thought you were not afraid of anything, you little shit. I have had enough of your games. Tell me that again, then I will kill you. I thought you want to do this from the beginning, you little shit. Someone wants to die today. You think so? I don't think so, but I know it. For the first and last time, we will see who wins and who is better. Okay, bet. Any last words? Today you will finally see the view from the top. You are a very little boy. Shut up! Are you angry already? Okay, are you ready to die? Nah, I'd win! Come here, you little shit.
No a minus?
Fuck! What is it? What? Oh shit, this hurts so much. You lost. Give up, KJ. I don't want to kill you. This was just warning. Do you understand? Or should I really kill you? Do you want it? Why are you screaming? You know I'm not doing anything to you. No one will help you in this place. I just broke your leg, that's all. That's all? Are you kidding me? I know it probably hurts, but the guy in my team has experienced worse. I destroyed part of his skull. what I did to you is nothing. Why did you do that? Ha! He's making fun of my height, like you a few seconds ago.
Opa.
So, if you do something to my team one more time, you will experience worse than that guy. Do you understand me? I take the silence as yes. Bye.
Do me immediately.
What?
Oh shit.
Počkaj, čo?
Do me immediately.
Ejo.
Čo?
Toto... Chyba. Chyba v animácii. Shit.
No, tak no.
Shit. Niečo mi to.
Pardon, trošku sme to tu na... Ja som to zabudol stream.
Veď tu to mám. Let me check this shit. Ne!
You could lose your...
To je dôležitá časť.
Pardon, trošku... Zamieram, ja.
my height, like you. Understand me?
Us who give it to.
No.
It says yes.
Part of the island is
Dop.
us who.
Jop, už to ide. Počkaj. Už? Aha,
Hej.
OK. Menší problém.
Understand me?
Menší
Aha,
problém
hej,
ľudia ako
hej.
Oliverovi.
Poďme.
The silence says yes.
Oliver sa tu hral s kamerou zatiaľ. Šakovi.
Spadla mi dvakrát, to je nič.
This is an emergency. The heart of the island is lost. Who give it to me immediately.
Oh shit.
And be careful when someone dies. He cannot be revived again.
How is it possible that someone took him?
If someone gets me this heart, please put it in the room under the island. There's a room like this.
Možno.
Hell nah. KJ! No, I'm tired. My leg is broken. Yes, it is. What do you want from me? We need the heart you stole. Now! I won't give you anything.
Give me that shit.
No. Do you know what will happen if we don't take him back? I don't care.
Let's kill
You don't
some.
care? We will all die because you will not bring him back. Oh, you're cute when you're angry.
Oh!
Nič moc.
Dead.
Rest, KJ. Your fight is over.
Musíš pískať. Ja mám chapadlo. Zlý horný zvon. To je zlý. Viem, Gojo je dobrý, ale to je môj príbeh.
Ko?
Ja som to nedal hlasnejšie.
My heart. But it down. No, that's fucked up.
Jeez!
Tamču.
Wow. Konec.
Nestopuješ. OK. Ja to je všetko. Ja dúfam, že ma nebolo vidno. What the fuck.
Go ahead.
No.
Takže,
Zombie apokalypsy.
jop. Zombie apokalypsu sme prestali točiť, pretože za prvé nemám... za každú jednu časť musel by som zaplatiť 100 robuxov.
A nemáme na to čas.
Áno. Pretože my sa nestretávame každý mesiac s mojím bratrancom. Áno, to môj bratransky si nevedeli. A tak, no.
Secret.
To není secret. No,
Aha.
ale nebojte sa, teraz ideme natočiť ešte spolu ďalšie videá. Takže asi bye.
Dajte subscribe.
Obidvom.
Obidvom z nás. Aj lajky. Hlavne lajky.
Ja lajky.